Hello and welcome to another Multimakes 3D modelling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, because it helps the channel pop up in the searches. And here we go. Yeah, so let's do the rear axle. Don't forget, we've only seen it from there. Why on earth you would be wanting to see it from here anyway, but yeah, you might have an animation like that, you never know. But strange edge there for some reason. See? Oh, it's doing that. Put a crease in that direction. Fixes it sometimes. Right, so 3, let's have a thought. There we go. Being center of the wheel. Get that pretty much centered. I'll have to pull that up, I think. Far for now. I don't think they should be such a harsh edge, you know. I think maybe they should be. Let's see what they're like without a crease on. Yeah. I will leave it like that. Like I say, you're not going to really see it. You just do these panels next, I think. Give these panels a thickness finally. But let's not get distracted. So let's highlight them too. And make sure it's median and do Shift S, cursor 2 selected. This is where we're going to create the the diff for the reaxle. Shift A. Let's do a circle. You need 8 parts because we'll drop a sub there on it. 1 and rotate on X. Yep. Scale up, looks a bit small. Looks huge here now, doesn't it? Right, actually, that point there needs to be sent out of the wheel. Slide it back. We'll do an extrude X, no, extrude Y even, sorry. That side, line that up. And there. Go to like that one also. Do extrude scale Y. Just pull that out there. Scale Shift Y this time. Scale them down a little bit. Highlight that one. F that'll do. Save on that one. F. On all Shift N for normal. There we go. Put it on the right way. Oops. Right, so realize now. You've got that. Of course, it helps, you know, run. Oh, come on. Slash. Shift 1. Get rid of them. Not funny, really. Right. Do it too. And we need to do them first. F. And oop. And then that one. We need to cut this in half. take a mirror and clip it on and drop that down an extra 0 just in case. Right from there, 3, select these two, extrude X, scale X, scale it down, we have a square. Inset, to be not really the drive shaft, because the drive shaft's that bit there, goes on there, isn't it? This is the bit that's driving the wheels, so it might be. There's so many cars, I should know what these are called, you know. Scale X, not quite. Scale Z even. Your fingers did it, my mouth just said something totally different. So, right, so we'll do a right click, loop tools and circle. While we're here, we shall put 1 on there, so it holds that as a circle. You could do with these as well. Don't let go of that button. Yeah, I'll do that one as well. Right, I'll put this on for now, but me too. Let's smooth that. Right, so 3, select these two, extrude X. Ooh, no, that'll do. Right, out of there. Right, let's have a look at this picture that I found. That disappears into the back of the wheel where you have your brake drums, etc., or brake discs. So extrude and a scale. Go to 3, we can see where the holes are there. Excuse me. Extrude X again. Plus and a plus. And let's take that to the wheel. And filled in rims like this, you can't exactly see the brake discs. I think it might be brake drums being an older car. Oh, need to give the wheel some nuts. I don't think the axle's going off, you know. It's not, is it? Because we need that to be on the leaf springs. Right, what I want to do here is want to scale this up a bit. But if I do from here, it's going to go all crazy. So if I do a pretty cursor, slip it through there, do a scale, but we don't want to go in the Y direction. So do a scale, shift Y, press your fingers. Pardon me. Oh, and this mouse. Medium, we'll scale it down because that has now gone. Oh no, tell you what, we'll just scale that one instead. Make the same thickness as that, go 3. Oh. on earth? All merge distance. None there. So, not better this time? Yeah, that was weird. Right, we've now lost these in the centre of the rim. Because the centre drum was scaled up, wasn't it? And it's stuffed it up a bit. See, this bit here. That's weird, lovely sunny day, and hail still rain. Just rain. Just need to move these up. Right. Put control on there, EF. Tighten that edge up a bit. Yeah, that needs a little bit more detail, but again, it's under the car. We're not really going to see it. Oh, come on, mouse. What if I roll slowly? Okay. Just take a blue on it. Nice bright blue like that one. Yes, do it. I'll call that so. Also call that axle. We'll leave it in wheels because it is attached to the wheels, isn't it? So white. Oh yeah. We'll also need another colour. Oh, the whole thing's painted blue by the looks of it. Oh, it's the same. Oh. Hmm. No, I like that. It's a paint, so a bit of a gloss to it. So I know it's under the car, we're not going to really see it, but let's put a 0.3 on. Blue and just leave specular like that for now. It was does yet. Zoom out. Right then. Control S, save, and I'll catch you in the next one again.